Come here. Come
Okay,
here.
try again. Uh, I'm trying
Come here.
to capture our birds first time
Come here.
getting close to each other, getting in contact, and there they are. What about go get Isla? Oh, there they are.
Seems like they're buddies. I guess they talk to each other enough already, huh?
Mm-hmm. They already know each other. I
He
think.
screamed all day long,
Yep,
every day.
there it is.
You know what? Just leave them alone for a while with the cage, both cages
Mm-hmm.
open. Let's see what they do.
Right. What do you think, Kai? What do you think?